Dear Diary, love bites. Sometimes it can make you feel like it's the greatest thing in the world. It can make you feel safe. It can make you forget everything. Like you could start all over again. But love can also make you feel out of control. Scared. Like it's eating away at you until there's nothing left. Love really sucks.
There was a boy.
Think.
A very strange enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, very far, over land and sea. A little shy, sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. While we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me.
You're the liar, Elena. There is something going on between the two of us, and you know
The
it.
greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.